everyone, happy Sunday. It's time for episode number 3 of Pajama Gàidhlig, and I don't know about you, but I've just gotten out of bed, and the reason for that is that it's been kind of a stressful week here because my husband Carmine had a root canal retreatment and had a sore tooth and a swollen face, and it's been a little bit hectic. So we're actually going to talk about that today, and I'm going to teach you how to say some toothache related things in Gàidhlig. So last week you learned how to say Haciawn gorsht autumn, which means literally that there is a sore head on me. And then this week I'm going to teach you how to say someone is not doing well. So in this case it's Carmine, my husband. So I would say Carmine guma. So the way you say that is Carmine guma, but of course you would put in whoever in your life isn't doing very well. And then the reason is that he has a toothache, and the way that you say that is ha and jajug air. So ha and jajug air. The toothache is on him, and then you just elongate that E sound there with the strak or the accent over the E. So jajug, ha and jajug air. So here's poor Carmine. So I'm gonna try to give him a little bit of comfort. No. Which clearly didn't work. So in this case, I would say Carmine a giddy girl. And that means that Carmine does not want love, at least not until his tooth feels better. So that is your episode number 3 of Pajama Gàidhlig. I hope you have a lovely Sunday and that your teeth stay healthy. Cheery!